Let's learn how to make roasted habanero salsa. Are you a fiend for all things spicy? Do you put hot sauce on just about everything? Then I just so happen to have the perfect recipe for you. Let's jump right into the ingredients. We're going to need 6 Roma tomatoes, 4 habanero peppers, 2 Guajillo peppers, 2 sweet peppers, 2 small onions, 2 limes, half a bunch of cilantro, and 6 cloves of garlic. Let's start by taking off the stem and the seeds from our Guajillo peppers. This takes just a couple of quick chops and a few shakes, and you're all done. Next, we're going to boil a pot of water and add our Romas. Make it a party by throwing in the Guajillos and get them in there hanging out. Chop your 2 onions in half and let them join the party. After all, they've been waiting to get in. Let the boys soak, and before long, your tomatoes will begin to peel. That's how you know they're ready to come out. We're only a minute in, I'm already going to teach you a pro tip. Save a little bit of that tomato water. You're going to need it later. Now that we're done, it's time to roast our habs, our sweet peppers, and our garlic. Throw them in a seasoned cast iron with no oil. Shake them around from time to time, and before long, you'll have a beautiful char on the outside. If you want a more potent garlic punch, then don't roast your garlic. Roasting your garlic will allow it to be a little bit more mild and not overbearing in our salsa. And will you just look at that? A perfect char. Take the stems and the seeds out of our sweet peppers and peel our garlic. It's going to be super easy. Just takes a couple of seconds. Now it's time for the grand finale. Take some of them tomatoes, throw them in the blender. Just a couple. You don't want too much in there to start. You're going to start to pulse it, give it a nice blend, but not too fine, because you're going to add a little bit of that tomato water, just like I was saying, that pro tip. We're going to layer in our ingredients slowly to not overwhelm our blender. This doesn't take too long, just about 5 minutes, 4 minutes, and you'll be all done. Once you've had all of your main ingredients, you're going to throw in the cilantro, some lime juice, a little bit of salt and pepper to taste, and that's all she wrote. It's going to come together beautifully. And we're ready to serve. Time to eat. We're going to try this amazing salsa with my favorite chips of all time, Red Hot Blues. It's going to be a little bit hard to find these, but I was in luck this time, so let's see what we got going on. Oh man, that hit you. I'm gonna be here for a while. In my next video, I'll be teaching you how to make a delicious, healthy dish that complements this salsa perfectly. Turkey potato hash. Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching.